at this fool. Look at this dude, man. Going in the right lane. Boy, somebody pissed somebody off this morning. Look at this. He's going after her. Look at that black car's gone, boy. They've been at it for at least 6 or 8 minutes, trying to cut each other off. And that white van, look at that. Golly, there he goes again. He's going to kill somebody. Look, he's going to kill this woman. Hey, look at him. He is all up on that lady. Look.
Use the right lane to
Road rage. Get away from her, dude. I'm running 100 miles an hour right now. I didn't even realize that.
Take the exit.
Look at him. Look at this dude. He has lost his... Look, she just threw a cup of... She threw a drink can out the window at him.
In 2.9 miles, turn right to merge onto I-40 West.
That's what happens. Oh, snap. Get him. Get him. Hope that's the law. Yeah! Yeah! Get him, baby! Tear his head up! Woo-hoo! Good guys win!